わかりました。
When you're
はい
ready.
はい。Good morning. My name is Soma Kiuchi. Today I'm talking about a grade of wax apple, and I will talking about mainly what is wax apple, objective, material and methods, result and conclusion. Okay, let's start. First, what is wax apple? Do you know wax apple? Wax apple is tropical fruit, which is native to Malaysia and is cultivated in tropics widely. For example, Taiwan, India, Okinawa, and so on. And it does not taste like common apple, despite its name. But the pear, nashi. And this is a very characteristic. This wax apple has a thick cuticular layer, which is causing optical haration and reflection. So, objective 1, efficient sorting in quality classes and explore the use of image processing as method. It is very common in grading of something. And this is material and methods. Okay. First, grading by human experts and into A, B, C. A is very bad, and C is very good, and middle. And second, put fruits on experimental grading system. This is grading system. Put all fruits. And third, take image from two sides, top side and side camera, and taking a picture is sent to here, and make colors distribution based on HSI. And sorry, this is equipment. And in this machine, we explain. We try two pattern writing. One is dome illumination methods. Two is a direct illumination. And this is result. Needless to say, a directly writing method, the picture is very clear and bright. So we can easily see how bad and how good, and we can see delicate parts. But dome system, the picture is very dark and is haration. So this is not bad, not a good picture. And this is class separation of distribution. This color is dome date, and this is direct writing dates. And this is also no needless to say, directly writing system state is very distributing widely, but dome date is very over. Sorry, forget. And this is conclusion. As you see, directory writing system methods gives better grading results. So directory writing system is more suitable than indirect system writing method. And some agricultural products is more important than math, and wax apple is one of them. So math is important criterion, and this criterion, this math can be calculated from the picture you see in this from two sides, top and side. So we need a system that combines color grading and mass estimation. That's all. Thank you very much. Do you have any question?
For that, you can throw the more slower.
It's easier to understand. Okay, any questions? All you understand? If you understand, can I ask you a question about his presentation to you? Nothing? Nothing. Okay, Akamori.
How does the expert evaluate
its size and colors, especially colors. Dark red color is good acceptable, but clean red is not good. So experts see that and classify it.
Any other question?
Hi.
I have a question about the pictures. In my grading machine, we take like 6 pictures to evaluate each. But in your machine, you just do 2 pictures on the top and the side. I thought like only 2 pictures is not enough to evaluate each.
And this works apple is sorry. To classify this wax apple, especially what is important is color. Color is the best. Best and mass. So not many cameras. Only 2 is much. Yeah. Top and side is okay.
Is it okay? So just 2 pictures to determine the color.
And its size.
The other side.
The other side.
Back side is greenish. It's rare. Maybe rare.
I'm sorry. I study about more, and next time I talk you.
Okay. Tell me your name.
Hi.
You said that the dome type is not good. So is it still used? Is that type still used?
I don't study that, so there maybe directory system is using directory system we can get more good pictures. So maybe in the future directory system is used maybe.
What's the difference between direct light and dome? Would you tell us again?
Okay. Dome illumination method doesn't use direct light. Use scattered by sun angle. So this scattered light causes haloration and reflection. But in this directory system, using a polarized plate, using polarized plates, helping classify from reflection and so on.
You learned about this trick on my previous class.
First, yes.
And a little different, maybe a little wrong. Because scattered light is very important to determine the color. Yeah, this is very important. Let me explain. This is a surface of the rainbow or any fruit. This thin layer we call wax layer, or what did you call this? This layer is cuticular layer. Cuticular layer. Yes. Then, when we put the light here, what happened?
Reflection.
Yes, like a mirror reflection.
Polarized.
Yeah, mirror reflection. Yeah.
Mirror reflection.
Very much strong reflection because wax layer is very, very smooth. Then some of them put into this, then absorb some part of some components of light. Usually this is a white light. Then normally primary three colors are
Red,
red,
green,
green,
blue.
blue. If this is lembu, your waxed apple is reddish color,
Yeah.
what's absorbed?
Green and blue.
Green and blue are absorbed.
Yeah.
Gone. Then what come out?
Red color light.
Yes, reddish color come out. Very good. You know very well. Then TV camera here.
Yes.
But this reddish color, not only this reddish color, but also this very strong, reflected light together enter in this. That's not good. That's why they used this way or this way. The difference is, this is this light lamp, this bulb, 4 bulbs here, then facing to the wall. Understand? Facing to wall, not to fruits, to wall. Then secondary reflection, tertiary reflection. Okay, so very softly, radiate by these walls. That is dome system, dome method. But this one, direct illumination needed, just directly radiate. Now, of course, we can get this mirror reflection. But trick is, what kind of trick they use?
Polarized.
Polarized plate, yeah, polarized filter.
Yeah.
Polarization necessary to eliminate this very strong light. They have one polarizing filter, and another polarizing filter. Then you can eliminate this. Only this is scattered light. Scattered light come in. That is a true color. True color. Only reddish color enter in. This is a whitish, very strong light that will be blocked by polarizing filter. Okay, that is the story, the difference between them.
Thank you, Kondo-sensei.
Yeah, you know well. Okay, so that's good. You understand well, but more precisely explain about that,
Right.
because you had 30 seconds more.
はい。
Any. All right.
Are there any other fruits selected by the system?
This system. I'm sorry, I don't research about that. Wakano-san's fruits is used this style. I'm sorry.
Any other comments or suggestions? If you have professors' comments or some suggestions to improve his
Can you go into first slide, please? First slide.
First slide.
No, second one. Usually, when this year, menu is not the right word to use. It's either the objectives of the study or the outline of your slide.
はい。
Next one.
はい。
Here on this slide, you have used the red color and big labels for the bottom part. And your eyes
Right.
are attracted to that.
Right.
But that isn't the main topic
Right.
for this slide.
はい。
What is wax apple is a very good way to introduce your subject. But by having technical words like Kyuchi, alienation, reflection on this introductory slide, you become confused. It would be better to have those words later. And they are technical words, not actually explaining your grading. So they don't need so much emphasis.
はい。
Next slide.
はい。
Okay, this one is very good.
はい。
It shows you exactly what you want to say, and it complements what you are saying. Next one, please. Okay, also very good. What I didn't understand, though, is on those diagrams, the middle one I can see is different. It has yellow, middle fruit. But the two, on the two sides, why they all look the same? Yes.
Darker than this.
Darker.
Darker.
Okay. Next one.
はい。
Also, when you were presenting this, you stood in front of the slide. It would be better to use the pointer
あ、
and to take a little bit more time
はい。
to explain the process.
はい。
Next.
はい。
Okay. This one, from here, I cannot read.
はい。
If you are trying to explain the difference between diam and direct, using these diagrams is not very difficult to use because I cannot read the figures.
はい。
So maybe a diagram like it was drawn up here would be able to better explain what you want to explain about the dome versus direct line. So, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Slide number 4 or 5.
back school. back.
And this one.
This one. はい。
This is wax apple.
Looks like a mangosteen.
あ、あ、いや。
Yeah, first maybe you have to be careful when putting image that has no relation with you. And the second is in conclusion. You have conclusion.
Conclusion. Yes.
I think you are talking about the lighting system to get a good image. Why you have to conclude about mass is an important criteria. It's out of topic of your
はい。
presentation.
Oh, I think only conclude that directly lighting gives yeah, a little cheap. So I connect other things. Yes.
Okay, that's
Also,
Hi.
sorry, this one. Usually when you're talking about grading, you don't talk about mass, you talk about weight.
はい。
Mass is more a physics term
はい。
rather than a horticulture use.
わかります。
Any other comments or suggestions?
はい。
Maybe you need to slide number.
あ
You there.
Yeah. That's much better.
あ、はい。
And at the beginning, you need to introduce yourself
はい。
to the audience.
はい。
Your name, your name, and your name.
はい。
Okay. Next time you can improve more. Anything else? Nothing. Yeah. It was the very first time, so we expect much improvement next time.
はい。
Thank you very much.
ございます。Thank you very much.